In today's video, I'm going to show you how to voice chat in Claude AI in just a few simple steps. If you've been wondering how to talk to Claude instead of typing everything out, this guide will walk you through exactly how to start a voice conversation and get speaking with Claude in seconds. This is a super useful feature if you want a faster, more natural way to interact with AI, whether you're brainstorming, asking questions, or just exploring what Claude can do. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and log in to your Claude account. You can do this from your browser or the Claude app, depending on where you're using it. Once you're signed in, the next step is to start a new chat. This gives you a fresh conversation where you can begin using voice chat without any distractions from previous messages. Now, take a look at the lower right corner of the chat window. You should see a sound wave symbol there. That is the voice chat button. Tap or click that icon and Claude will switch into voice mode. Once voice mode is active, simply start talking. You can ask Claude questions, give it instructions, or have a back and forth conversation just like you would with a real person. Claude will listen to what you say and respond using its voice, making the whole experience feel much more interactive and natural. If you want the smoothest experience, speak clearly and wait for Claude to finish responding before jumping in with your next question. You can use voice chat for quick idea generation, writing help, summaries, planning, or even casual conversation. It's a great way to make Claude feel faster and easier to use, especially when you don't want to type everything manually. So just to recap, log into Claude, start a new chat, tap the sound wave symbol in the lower right corner, and then start talking. That's all it takes to begin voice chatting with Claude AI. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AI how-to video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.